Are you using LeadPages but want to maximize customer revenue? If so, keep watching this short video. LeadPages is perfect for setting up landing pages, capturing emails, and tons more. But how do we keep people connected with our brand after they opt into our offers? Well, today, we're going to explain how LeadPage users are growing their brands by converting their contacts into lifelong customers. And spoiler alert, anyone can do this. But before diving in, please take a quick moment to go ahead and click that like and subscribe button below. We always appreciate your support. So how do we turn everyday leads into diehard fans? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. You see, you can drive more sales by automatically adding lead page conversions into your own member community website. Now, this is the most effective way to keep users permanently connected with your brand. And the quickest way to launch a community website is with a platform called Brilliant Directories. And trust me, the name says it all. With a Brilliant Directories website, you can start an online community around your brand. You can allow other users to have profiles and interact with each other. You can send promo newsletters to your customers. And best of all, you can show off the size of the brand that you've worked so hard to build. So let's dive into the fun stuff, sending LeadPages data into our Brilliant Directories website using Zapier. Now, keep in mind, this will also work with other integration platforms like Pabbly, Integrately, and more. All right, so here we are, and we have a LeadPages opt-in form where they can register for an offer. Now, in this video example, what we're going to do is we're going to fill out this opt-in form with our name and our email, and then we're going to automatically create a user profile for that user in our brand's community website, which is powered by Brilliant Directories. And just to show you here, this is what our member community looks like. As you can see, we have just over 90 different results of different members. So they're going to fill out that form and they're going to be automatically added to our member community. So to set this up, what we're going to do is we are going to head into Zapier, and once we are logged in, we are going to create a new Zap. And for the trigger, that is going to be LeadPages. So we're going to type in LeadPages here, and we're going to select that. And once we have that selected, the event is going to be a new form submission. And then we're going to click on continue. And then we need to connect our LeadPages account. So we're going to click on choose. And then we are going to connect a new account here. And that's going to open up this little pop-up window where that's just going to ask us for our email address and our password for LeadPages. So go ahead and enter that information and then click on login. Now, once we are logged in, we can see our account listed here. And then we can click on continue. Now, for the trigger, it's going to ask us to choose the form that we have created. So this is mine here. So make sure you select your form, and then we're going to click on continue, and then it's going to test the trigger just to make sure that everything is synced up correctly, as we can see there, and we can go ahead and click on continue again. Now, for the action, this is going to be Brilliant Directories. So we're going to type in Brilliant Directories here and select that. And then for the event, it is going to be to create a new user. And then we're going to click on continue. And then same thing for the account. We are going to click on choose. We're going to go ahead and connect a new account. And that's going to open up another pop-up window. However, this one is a little bit different than LeadPages. On this one, it's going to ask for the website URL as well as the API key. Now for us, we can actually click on this little hyperlink that says API details. And that's going to take us to the API details screen that we actually need to go to inside of Brilliant Directories. And once we're inside of here, we can actually click on Generate API Key at the top right. And that's going to open this up and ask us for a nickname. I'm just going to call mine LeadPages and click on Save API Key. And once we do that, that's going to give us our API key. And I can go ahead and click this little copy icon to copy that API key. Then we're going to close out of this. Then we're going to head back to that pop-up window. And inside of that pop-up window, we're going to paste in that key. Next, we need our website URL. So I'm going to go back inside of Zapier, and at the top right, this orange button that says Visit Website, we can actually click on that, and that's going to bring us to our Brilliant Directories website, where we can actually just copy the URL that's inside of the address bar. Then back inside of that pop-up, we're going to paste that in there, and we are going to delete anything that is after .com. So I have /home. We're just going to delete that. We only want up to .com. So now that we have that, I can go ahead and click on Yes, Continue to Brilliant Directories, and that's going to go ahead and sync our account together for us. And let me go back over here to Zapier, and we can see here that LeadPages has been connected. So I'm going to select that and then click on Continue. Next, for the action, we need to map together any information that we are collecting from LeadPages and enter it into our action here inside of Zapier. Now, the best part is we can enter and map anything together that we are collecting. If we are collecting addresses, phone numbers, any custom fields, we can link any of that together and have it automatically passed over to Brilliant Directories. But for me, we are collecting their email address. So we're going to select the email here, and then we can go down here to the name. We are collecting their first name, so we're going to do first name, and we are also collecting their last name, so we're going to select their last name here. Now again, any information that you are collecting, you can map that together inside of the action fields here, inside of our Brilliant Directories, inside of Zapier. But once you've went ahead and mapped together everything that you are collecting, we're going to scroll to the very bottom and click on Continue. And once we click on Continue, we are going to do another test here, again, just to make sure everything is linked up successfully. And we're going to wait for that test to finish. And once it's finished, we can see a user was sent to Brilliant Directories about 1 second ago. So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and publish this Zap. So we are going to click on Publish, and that's going to take a moment here to set it live. And once it's live, like it is right now, as we can see, now I want to test it just to make sure everything is working successfully. So to do that, I'm going to head over here to our sign up form, and I am going to fill out the details here. So I'm going to enter Jack Jackson and jack@jjackson.com. That's a little bit of a tongue twister. And we are going to click on sign up. And that's going to bring us to our thank you page saying, hey, thank you for signing up. Now, assuming everything is set up correctly inside of Zapier, Jack Jackson should be automatically added to my member community. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over here to my member community, and we are going to refresh this. And assuming everything worked good, we're going to see Jack Jackson listed over here. And as we can see, Jack Jackson is our newest member inside of our member community. And there we have it. This is a must-have integration every LeadPages user should set up. So if you are ready to turn your LeadPage contacts into lifelong customers, just click on the free trial link in the description below, and you'll get instant access to start your own membership website. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to helping you in our next video. Thanks for watching.